Everyone, this is Chao with Rihanna Stark. This is another pick a card reading. In today's reading, we will cover the topic messages and blessings coming in this May 2021. This is a timeless reading for May 2021. So, whenever you stumble upon it in May, you should have a look at it because the messages are just for you. Like always, we have two piles here. This is pile A, which is an amethyst, and this is pile B, which is a clear quartz. Viewers, you can also pause the video and decide intuitively which pile you are being drawn to. Incidentally, we also have the timestamp given in the description box, so in case you want to proceed directly to your reading, you can do just that. Those of you who pick pile A, which is the amethyst here, certainly it activates your spiritual awareness this month if you're going to use this crystal. Maybe it will help you get greater psychic clarity in May. I think your psychic abilities are already present, but they need to be activated. Besides, it is closely related to the crown chakra, the seventh energy center in our body. Maybe you're getting messages and dreams which are going to come in this month, and it is going to help you enormously. This amethyst is also a crystal which helps in de-stressing us. Maybe you have those mood swings and it could help calm you. Largely, I think amethyst can dissolve the negativity around you. It could remove the sadness and make you more balanced as a person. We'll keep this aside for now. The first card in your reading pile A is the Ten of Wands. Certainly, this month is going to be one which is going to be quite challenging for you. Perhaps you're being called upon to handle the pressure. There will be those anxiety-filled moments. That is why I think you picked up the amethyst, which asks you to de-stress a bit. I think you're somebody who wants to forge ahead, but then others around you, especially your family members, they may not see eye to eye. Maybe they think that you're impractical when it comes to decisions with respect to your career. Sometimes you feel that you're the lone warrior. This vision that you have for your family is something which is going to help the family enormously in the long run. But then if there is a friction with respect to these decisions, then you should listen to the viewpoint of others. Another thing, pile A, I think you desire financial stability. Some of you may find yourself going back to square one because this 10 is a completion of one cycle, and then we will have another cycle which is going to come into your life. So that is why I think you should realize that these days which are going to be filled with anxiety or these challenging moments will also pass. Besides, nothing is permanent except change, and this change is developing you at the soul level as well. For some of you, I'm also picking up that there could be job offers, but then maybe it's not to your liking. Even those of you already employed, I think you may feel overworked or pressure. Maybe you want to drop these burdens, you want to let go of all these burdens that are there. In case you're already an employee, I think you may feel that you need to put in your papers because this person here, he seems to be working very hard, but then the responsibilities keep on increasing. Maybe you think that your superior is overburdening you with excess work. Or sometimes, the work environment can also be quite stifling for you. Sometimes, you may feel as though knives are being sharpened behind your back, or there are superiors or colleagues who are picking on you. They want to make it difficult for you, but then you should understand that every cloud has a silver lining. Besides, pile A, this learning curve is going to make you more strong. I think you will also be weighed down by people's expectations of you because we do have this card, the first house. Like I said, you'll be concerned about your finances. Maybe you should also focus inward. Maybe you should focus on your health. Perhaps, pile A, you will be concerned about what impression people have of you. The first impression is the last impression, but then all this takes time, so maybe you should tone down your expectations a bit. Look, this lady here, she's looking at her face in the mirror, so maybe you're somebody who's going to be in a reflective mode this month. I think for some of you, you need to focus on your health, maybe your blood sugar levels or your blood pressure levels. Some of you could also be suffering from indigestion. Because you're stressed out, it affects our stomach. Besides, there could also be some skin ailments. Archangel Raphael is also asking you to get a good night's sleep this month. But then when we are stressed out, then sleep eludes us. That is why you need to get quality sleep, or you need to de-stress. Ideally, I think pile A, you need to release the tension. You need to go with the flow of life. Maybe you should adjust your schedule and take out time to rest, because rest is very important if you want to be focused the next day on work. This May, you're also being asked to proceed softly. Patience is the key here. Everything will bear fruit eventually, even if it seems a very challenging phase of your life. Sometimes it's better to go slow. Sometimes going too fast may mean that we can overlook certain ideas that are there. It's only when we are still that we can understand what you need to do with our life or how we need to proceed. You will get answers when you're all by yourself. So you should be cautious. Besides, slow and steady wins the race. Perhaps some people are also going to be out of your life this month. They could disappear, so to speak. Maybe they are going to leave you to your own devices. They could leave without any trace, without any explanation, though you do want the answers from this person. Maybe it's next to impossible to find them or to locate them. They are not visible to your eyes, but then I think this is also necessary for your soul's evolution. Maybe the distance is going to make the heart grow fonder, or perhaps this person is going to realize your worth when he is far removed from you. In case you're already romancing, I think your person is going to assist you at work. Maybe he is going to listen to you patiently. I think at times this person could also overwhelm you. He could move you to tears. Maybe he wants you to improve at work, so he could suggest some books. That is why I think it's necessary to read those books to gain the insight. Pile A, in case yours is a secret romance, you should be careful because somebody could let the cat out of the bag. I think in relationships you should be patient with each other or with your person. I think you're going to see the light, like this lady here. She is looking upwards. You see the light is streaming down. So there's going to be those awakening moments which are going to present themselves in May. Maybe you're getting new direction about how you should proceed. Perhaps when truth is there, then you're able to perceive or see clearly. Maybe you should sever ties from those whom you don't require. Maybe you should liberate yourself from certain situations. Maybe you should free yourself from those attachments which are not serving you well this month. Clearly, you will be given that chance to understand what is valuable to you and what is important in your life. It's quite remarkable, pile A, that we have key next to awakening. So certainly you're getting the insight or you're getting the answers. Maybe you're going to unlock something or you're going to find those solutions which is required. Even sunlight is glistening down in this key. So light is certainly there. If you see, even this card has a light here, or this card also talks about being outdoors. So certainly the sunshine is going to stream down on your face this month. This revelation or the epiphanies that you're going to have is going to serve you well. Possibly, you're somebody who's going to put 2 and 2 together this month. You're going to find the missing answers, or you will get the clues that you need to put everything together. Key also talks about our connections, maybe a karmic connection. Even in love, it may be a soul or a karmic connection with this person that you're dealing with. You're going to learn these lessons even if this person walks out of your life. Basically, if there are issues, they can be resolved because you need to look for those answers within. Incidentally, your angels are asking you to shield yourself from these harsh energies. Maybe you're somebody who absorbs other people's negative energies, because we do have the 10 of Wands. These burdens are quite heavy and they are weighing on your shoulders. That is why I think your angel, especially Archangel, is asking you to protect yourself. Maybe you should borrow Archangel Michael's shield in the face of any emotional downpour. Like I said, you may be having disagreements or discussions with family members which could take an ugly turn this month with respect to some plans and ideas that you have. That is why you should brace yourself from these harsh energies. This angry exchange will definitely lower your energy levels. And this is something which you can do without. Last card in your reading, pile A, is guarded and protected. Wow, Archangel Michael is making an entry here again. He is reassuring you that you're sheltered and protected, or his protective umbrella or his protective shield is helping you overcome these tension filled moments. Certainly, he is going to be there to make you feel safe and sound. Maybe you should ask him to step in. Maybe you should drop your defenses in relationship. If something is bothering you, you have to speak up. I think despite these challenges and setbacks, you're going to emerge from it because everything is temporary. The sun will shine once again. Archangel Michael is always there for you. Let's just dive into this charm box here to see what it has for you, Carly. I'll just pick up randomly whatever comes. I think your focus here is on love because we have a teddy bear. I think your heart is filled with love for this person whom you're dealing with. We have the conch here, so certainly you need to do some cleansing. Maybe the conch is talking about protecting yourself from the harsh energies through the use of salt water because the conch is found by the sea. So saltwater cleansing is certainly going to benefit you. Lastly, we have the sun. So through it all, you're going to emerge stronger and you're going to shine bright in the days to come. I hope, Pile, you liked your reading. This is Char with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time. Those of you who picked Barbie, which is a clear quartz, certainly this white crystal is known to be the master healer. It will help amplify your energy this May. I think it will help you concentrate even further at work. It will help you memorize things in case you want to memorize or learn something. Besides, the clear quartz can help stimulate the immune system. It can help balance out our entire body. You can work with this crystal. I think you can use it to stimulate the crown chakra as well. Let's just keep this aside for now. The first card in your reading, Pile B, is the Seven of Wands. One message which I am picking up right now, irrespective of this card, is that you need to seek a divine intervention this month. Maybe you should ask your angels to step in when you need their assistance. They are going to be there walking beside you in May 2021. Other than that, Pile B, you're somebody who's quite creative. I think you're somebody who could also speak up. So that is why I think you should not jump to conclusions. Maybe at times you feel that your apprehensions will come true. Perhaps it's better to take a back seat this May and not get caught up in other people's problems. Incidentally, I'm also picking up that there's going to be some material. Incidentally, Pile B, money dealings owed to you will also be cleared. In case you're already employed, I think you have to brace yourself because there are going to be disruptions at work. Maybe your schedules could be changed. I think somebody wants you to surrender to his whims, whether you're dealing with a superior or whether with a client. Perhaps you should put your foot down. You could also be stressed out, or maybe your responsibilities increases because of uncertainty over a staff member. You don't know whether this person will report to work or whether he's going to take leave. Nevertheless, I think Pile B, you should make time for your work. Like I said, responsibilities is going to increase this month. You should get up early or you should work late into the night and complete whatever task is at hand. We do have Venus in your reading. I think you're somebody who's going to benefit on account of the material vibration that this month is going to present for you. I think you will also gain materially this month. Perhaps many of you are also concerned about your own self-esteem, or you value yourself a bit too much. Maybe you should focus on self-care. You want to feel good, you want to indulge yourself. Maybe you could be purchasing or investing in luxury items this month because this energy is such that is asking you to beautify your home, your surroundings, or even your own self. Many of you are also going to be quite romantically disposed this month. I think there are going to be several admirers, even those who live far away, or maybe even on the social media you could be getting unwanted attention. There could also be somebody who could renew his offer of love to you, but you may be disinterested and you may make it plain, like you have done so in the past, that you are disinclined. Perhaps you don't want to be in a third party situation, or you want this person to understand that he should remain honest towards his own current partner rather than get any ideas about a relationship with you. This is something which could affect you internally. Maybe you want to come clean, you want this person to speak up or let his current partner know what he is up to. I think this could affect your relationship with this person. Archangel Michael is asking you to change physicians this month. Like I said, you'd be concerned about self care, so maybe healing is also involved here. Maybe you should take a second opinion with respect to matters of health, or in case somebody around you is unwell, then you should change the doctors or change the medical representative. Perhaps alternative healing methods or healing treatments could also benefit you. This card is certainly asking you to pay closer attention to whatever medication that you're receiving this month. I think many of you could complain about aches, especially to your back or your waist. Then there could be fluctuating blood sugar levels or blood pressure as well. Maybe the weather could also affect your health this month. Pile B, you're also being asked to follow your bliss. Do what is it that gives you joy. Maybe you're being asked to loosen up, to celebrate, to have fun and find that true happiness which comes from following the dictates of your soul. If you have a particular idea in your mind, then this is the time to act on it. Don't put it off. Maybe if you continue to do so, then you may never attain that happiness that your soul desires. Incidentally, we also had Venus earlier in the reading, which is talking about seeking pleasure. So you should find creative happiness. Some of you should also take up singing and dancing, or maybe you should take up a musical instrument, as that is going to give you a lot of joy this month. In relationships or in a romantic connection, I think you're dealing with someone who's quite possessive. This could make you quite suffocated or claustrophobic in this relationship. I think you desire that freedom, because we do have follow your bliss just right next to the possessive card. Perhaps this person demands your total attention and love. Maybe he doesn't want you to spend time with others. Maybe he is quite fishy as well. I think this person's insecurities could also affect your relationship. Being protective is one thing, but then being possessive can be very oppressive. Ideally, I think, Balbi, this person needs to feel secure in the connection. Maybe you should give each other the breathing space. Even you should not come across as someone who is quite clingy. Like this card here, this symbology is about the chains here. So certainly if you are going to feel shackled, then there's going to be rust and cobwebs in this relationship, which you can very well do without. Perhaps I think, Palbi, your lover is also insecure because you have other options or there are other suitors and he's well aware of it. Like I said, there could be unwanted attention as well, which is coming in this month. Perhaps this month the focus is also on truth. Somebody who wants to get to the bottom of things. You see this lady here, she's seeing her reflection. Maybe she is seeing the truth. Preferably you should be mature and be wise. This card also reminds me of the Suit of Swords or the Justice card in Tarot deck. Perhaps you should balance the scales, or you should weigh the pros and cons, or you have to navigate the thoughts that you have. Palbi, you are somebody who needs to face your fears. Maybe you should examine the situation rather than avoid it. Or perhaps you are being called upon to sort the wheat from the chaff so that you can see clearly and move beyond old patterns which are affecting you, because we do have possessive, we do have you needing to change physicians as well. This quest for the truth can be very liberating, and it can also give you the answers that you desire. In Lenormand, we have this card Clover, sudden stroke of luck or opportunity is going to be there for you, Palbi, this May. So you should make the most of it. Maybe small amount of money is being made available to you. You need to take that risk. You need to take advantage of the situation when fortune smiles on you. If you recall, we have Venus here. So certainly you're being asked to capitalize. Even in matters of the heart, I think the Clover is talking of surprise encounters here. And it did come up in your reading that there are going to be multiple options. Maybe there are multiple suitors before you. Your angels are also asking you to focus on the past life issue. You need to address the issues here. Maybe whatever you're experiencing in this month is a result of a previous lifetime influencing it. Preferably, you should follow your gut. Perhaps people from your past also re-entering your life or making themselves known to you this month. This is a karmic relationship, so you're getting the chance to balance the karma. That is why we do have truth here, and we did talk about justice card. So maybe it's time to balance your karma with somebody. Maybe it's the time to break the reincarnation cycle if you choose to do so. Last card in your reading is from Archangel Michael. The person you're asking about is trustworthy. I think trust is something which has come up in your reading over and over again. Maybe there's a particular person involved here, you're questioning his person's integrity. But Archangel Michael is telling you to give that person the benefit of the doubt. Perhaps this person may have erred in the past, or he has made that mistake, and he should be given that chance to rectify himself. Even in a romantic connection, maybe you wonder whether you should carry on with this romance, but you're being asked to trust this person. Similarly, if you're in a business venture, maybe you are questioning yourself with respect to this partnership or alliance that you have formed with this person. Be rest assured, because Archangel Michael is telling you to trust this person. Alright, we'll pick up some charms. First charm for pile B is the conch. This is interesting because pile A also had this conch. So maybe you are going to be protected and guided. Perhaps pile B, you need to do some saltwater cleansing, or you need to do some spiritual cleansing this month to get rid of the harsh energies. You will also benefit if you spend time by the sea. The conch is found by the sea, that is why I think purification rituals will benefit you greatly this month. We do have the turtle as well, or the tortoise if you may call. So certainly you're somebody who's going to make inroads in a slow and steady manner. You're going to be focused on your health as well, because this turtle, it has a long life. It can live more than 100 years. If you have heard of the Galapagos turtle, be concerned about the home. You have the tower here, so certainly you're going to be somebody who's going to make progress. You want to be away from other people also at times. Maybe you're going to isolate yourself a bit, or you'll be a bit withdrawn, seeking the truth. But you should be careful, because somebody could be a serpent beneath the flower this month. Somebody is quite deceptive as well in your life. Or maybe you're also going to speak your mind this month. All in all, pile B, you're definitely going to be somebody who is going to gain perspective. You're going to seek the truth, whether in your relationships or in your business affairs. Besides, I think you're being asked to enjoy the material benefits that life is going to present in May 2021. I hope pile B, you liked your reading. This is Chai with Rihanna Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.